So whatever he did and whatever best he did for himself. He was not supervised. Being a professional means you must develop an ability, whatever profession, assignment, job responsibilities. If you are a self-employed, you are an employed, whatever. Being professional means you must develop an ability to work unsupervised. Right? Do you find logical? See, small things. We are continuously supervised ever since we were infants. ये मत करना, वो मत करना, ऐसा करो, वैसा करो, right? And I have a small baby, 2.5 years, and I tell my wife, don't give instructions. Let him do whatever. And it's proving. थोड़ा सा डाइवर्जन करके मैं बात बताऊंगा, although it's not a parenting workshop, but you know babies they normally जिद करते हैं ना, so then I tell him कि ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं, you must say, Papa please give me this, so he'll say, and it's one very interesting sense, Papa please. Then when he wants something and the mother keeps on saying no, he is not taking medicine for example, so I tell him, आप प्लीज बोलते हो तो पापा करते हैं, राइट? तो मैं आपको बोलता हूँ प्लीज दवाई पी लो. See, it's now this will happen when you don't impose things. ये बचपन से शुरू होता है. आप लोगों के साथ भी ये हुआ होगा, नल बंद करो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो, स्कूटर ऐसे पार्क करो. मेरे फादर हुआ करते थे ऐसे, ठीक रखा है फिर भी एक बार जाके तो हिलाएंगे. ठीक है? So I have learned this ever since I was a kid. I was very independent. I'm very happy to tell you, and I'm very proud to tell you. In fact, I have a great respect for my father. But my father didn't have to stitch a trouser for me. Believe me. And you are so fortunate that you come to the best of the organization, right? But this is something which I want you to remember always, all throughout your life. And then what will happen? You will have a lot of openness in your mind. The moment you learn this art of doing things unsupervised, आपके अंदर का जो ओरिजिनलिटी है ना, वो बाहर. क्योंकि जब कोई अपने सुपरवाइज करता है तो it's bugging, you don't like when you have your own intellect, when you have your own reasoning. If somebody is supervising, you don't really enjoy that, right? What was the other essence I came to understand out of this small story was the day you all start working in your respective professions, you'll probably remember me. It's very irritating when somebody is asking you for ये हुआ कि नहीं, ये हुआ कि नहीं, ये क्यों नहीं हुआ, and things like that. So, I feel we should, as professionals, learn to certify the completion of our own jobs, our own assignments. कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो अपने? देखिए, आप जो भी एज में हो, आपने जो भी जितना भी आपका अनुभव है अभी, try to go back to your life circumstances, your family circumstances, your upbringing, and you will come to know कि, for example, as a school going boy, mommy, I'm sure must have asked you homework किया कि नहीं, and when you go to the school, teacher पूछेगी homework किया कि नहीं, right? I think, why should somebody ask you? You're the first person. You yourself should ask yourself, ये किया कि नहीं, है ना? If you learn these two things, I believe becoming a professional will become an easy task. Now let me tell you this. Professionalism actually has nothing to do with अर्निंग लाइवलीहुड।